All right, so pool water is green. What are we gonna do? Well, show you what I'm gonna do. Basically, our pool water has started to turn green. What that means is there's a little bit of algae growing in here. We've got some algae in the pool because it's been raining. We've had a ton of rain lately, and it dilutes the chemicals in the pool, makes it not so strong, and the algae is able to take bloom. Now, what I'm gonna do, just a couple simple things you can do if your pool gets green like this. First thing, add more bleach. I have these little chlorine bleach tablets that I use. Second thing, they have these little bags of shock treatment. Just simple. Use like a half a bag for this size pool. This is just a small 12-foot pool, but it's got the dosing recommended on there. About a half a bag of that. Now, what I'm doing is I've already added chlorine and I already put some shock in there, but I wanted to try out this new product. I just bought this stuff and I wanted to try it out and get this in the video. So this is called HTH Ultimate Mineral Brilliance Chlorinating Granules. What a nice name. Anyways, this stuff, I'm gonna try it out because I read great reviews about this stuff. You know, it's kind of like the shock stuff, but it's got some other stuff in there as well. So basically, I'm just gonna add, and it's not even very much that you need. For this size of pool, it's just like the half of this cap full right here, this cap. Like half of that cap full. So let's go ahead and put that in. What am I doing? You wanna swim in the pool? That's cute. That's cute. Ooh, now this stuff is very strong. It's got a strong smell. You probably don't want to get it on your skin. You don't want to swim right after you put this in. That's why I'm putting mine in tonight, and then I'm gonna let it go all night and not swim all night with the filter on all night here. So it says it like turns blue or something when you put it in the water. I want to see what's going on. It said to spread it out all over the surface. So I'm just gonna go around the pool, but we're gonna spread it out. We're gonna put it all around the pool, and then I'm gonna let it do its thing. It was just a little half a cap, 3 ounces, and well, I've never tried this product before. Like I said, it had good reviews. I wanted to try it out. I treat it right away when it starts getting green. I know that. So there we'll go, and we'll check back in the morning. After a day, you can see the water looks substantially clearer, but it's still got a little bit of a green tint to it. I noticed all the algae that was starting to grow on the bottom is pretty much gone, but we still got a slight green tint. So what I'm gonna do, tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and do another dose of this, the HTH Ultimate, probably the same amount. I'm probably gonna put in the same amount as I did the first time. What was that? Just a little half a cap full. And so we'll double that up, and then I'm gonna put probably a half a bag of this, the shock treatment, in there as well, just for the heck of it. So double it up, and pretty sure that'll do it, but we'll check back on it tomorrow and see, and should be a lot clearer by then. Looks like it worked. It really did a good job. We have clear water. Hallelujah. Looks so nice. I'm about to take a swim, and so that cleared up all the green, all the algae in the pool. Definitely worth buying. And if you have a green pool, don't freak out. Don't worry about it. Just go ahead and start treating it. And to recap what we did here, first of all, just the chlorine tablets. I put in some extra chlorine tablets in the pool. If you have nothing else, just do that. Put a bunch of those. But if you can get the pool shock, this is what I did last night. Put a half a bag in. For this size pool, I did a half a bag. And then I also, as I was showing, I tried the new product, which is the HTH Ultimate Mineral Brilliance. I do recommend this stuff. I think it worked great. It helps balance out all the minerals and everything in the water as well, and then it cleared it up nicely. So those three things right there, if you can't get a product like this, get something similar. If you can't do that, I think even if I would have just added probably the whole bag, if I would have just put probably the whole bag of the shock in there, that might have cleared it up as well. Probably would have cleared it up. But basically, the algae, the pool gets green from the rainwater or from not having enough chlorine in there or whatever. Gets diluted. It's not a big deal. Don't worry about it. Just put in the products. We're back to having an awesome pool to swim in. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a dip. I recommend check out in the description below. I'll have some more videos that I did about this pool. I did a cool time-lapse video where I set up the whole pool, time-lapsed it. I did another video reviewing the pool. So go ahead and check those out. And it's time for me to get in.